We've all been there. Maybe the car needed an unexpected repair, that surprise birthday dinner ran a little high, or freelance gigs haven't quite hit their stride yet. These situations are exactly what cash advance apps like floatme were designed for. A quick, short-term solution to bridge the gap until your next paycheck arrives. But before you hit that borrow button, it's crucial to understand how much you can actually borrow with floatme and what it might cost. So, how much can you squeeze out of floatme? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The amount you can borrow with floatme depends on a few key factors. Your income and employment status. Floatme needs to assess your ability to repay the advance. They'll likely take a peek at your bank account activity to gauge your income and spending patterns. Your credit history. While not always a deal breaker, a good credit score can potentially increase your borrowing limit. Your banking history with floatme. Responsible borrowing behavior with floatme in the past might unlock a higher borrowing limit in the future. Here's a ballpark figure. Based on user experiences and information from floatme's website, first-time borrowers typically see limits ranging from $50 to $100. Consistent and responsible use of the app can gradually increase your borrowing limit over time, potentially reaching $250 or even more. Remember, these are just estimates. The actual amount you can borrow will depend on your unique situation. But wait, there's more. Just like any financial product, floatme doesn't operate out of the goodness of its digital heart. Here's where it gets a little tricky. Fees. Floatme doesn't charge traditional interest rates. Instead, they levy a flat fee per advance. This fee typically ranges from $1 to $10, depending on the amount you borrow. Delivery speed. Need the cash instantly? Floatme offers expedited delivery for an additional fee. The bottom line. Floatme can be a lifesaver in a pinch, but it's important to borrow responsibly. Carefully consider how much you truly need and factor in the fees associated with the advance. Remember, you'll be repaying the borrowed amount plus the fee on your next payday. Don't let a small, temporary solution snowball into a bigger financial burden. There are alternative solutions you might explore. Negotiate with a bill provider, explain your situation, and see if they'll allow a payment extension. Reach out to friends or family. This can be a delicate dance, but sometimes all you need is a small, short-term loan from a loved one. Sell some unused items, do a quick decluttering session, and turn those rarely used treasures into cash. With a little planning and resourcefulness, you can navigate these temporary financial hiccups. Remember, floatme can be a helpful tool, but use it wisely. Thanks for watching, and until next time.